What's the meaning of Charles Wheatstone? Charles Wheatstone. Charles Wheatstone.
Charles Wheatstone. Charles Wheatstone. Charles Wheatstone was a 19th-century English scientist who made important contributions to the fields of acoustics, electricity, and telegraphy. He is best known for inventing the concertina, an early form of accordion, and for working with William Cooke to develop the first commercial electric telegraph in England. Wheatstone also conducted groundbreaking research on sound waves in human hearing, inventing several devices to measure and analyze them. His work laid the foundation for many modern developments in communication and media technology, and he is considered one of the pioneers of electrical engineering.